In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your Chatgpt-4 usage limit. Whether you're a regular user or just dabbling with AI, understanding how to maximize your interaction with Chatgpt-4 can make a world of difference. Let's break down the entire process into simple, manageable steps, ensuring you get the most out of your AI experience. First things first, you'll need to open ChatGPT. This might seem obvious, but having it ready is essential before we get started. Once you're logged in and set up, get ready to make a small but significant change. You'll want to temporarily switch from GPT-4 to GPT-3. And why, you ask? Well, GPT-3.5 might not be as advanced as its successor, but switching to it can help bypass some of the limitations you face with GPT-4, especially when you're reaching your usage capacity. After you've successfully switched to GPT-3.5, it's time to be a little patient. You'll need to wait for the cap reset. Now, waiting might not sound like the most exciting step, but it's crucial. During this period, you might want to catch up on some reading, enjoy a quick coffee, or explore other features within the platform. The reset doesn't happen instantly, so giving it some time ensures that everything is ready for you to switch back without hitches. Once you suspect that everything is reset and it's been a reasonable amount of time, you're ready to take the next action. Head over to the top left corner of the interface where you'll see an option labeled New Chat. Click on it to open a fresh session. This new chat essentially acts as a blank slate, allowing you to dive back into your queries without any issues. If you find yourself often bumping up against these limits and waiting isn't something you enjoy, consider upgrading to a Pro or Plus version of the service. Upgrading your account isn't just about avoiding limits, it enhances the entire AI experience with faster response times and priority access. It's a solid investment if ChatGPT is a constant in your daily routine. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to increase your Chatgpt-4 usage limit effectively. Remember, while these tips can help extend your experience, upgrading remains the ultimate way to ensure uninterrupted access. Explore what works best for you, and happy chatting.